na na na. Oh, oh, girl. Aye, aye, aye. She whining, she rolling back. Baby, I love how you're working that. Don't ease up, girl, don't you hold it back. No holding back. Oh, oh, girl. Where you whine and you dip so. How you move to the soul like calypso, girl. I wanna get with you tonight. You make it look easy. Baby, you got to believe me. I come to help make you feel it. Trust me, I got what you needed. Oh, I'm in love you long, long time, you know.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Empress D. It's always nice to have you. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome family. Also, if you're new, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more makeup tutorials, more beauty haul, fashion haul, all that stuff. If you like all that stuff, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Today I jumped into the James Charles palette, so if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then just stay tuned.
Well, you can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it, doing it. Let them respect you for style.
Right guys, we are starting with one eye completed, and we are going to replicate this eye over here. Now excuse my hair at the moment, it is wash day and I just need to get my hair washed, and I thought before I do all of my self-care stuff, let me just do this look rather than having to do it later in the day when I'm gonna have to be doing other things, cooking, cleaning, all that stuff. So yeah, excuse the hair, but let's get started anyways. The only thing that I've used on my eyes is this Technique pencil and also the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. I'm not going to be doing too much talking today because it is busy in my house and you guys know how it is, so you just look and see what it is that I am doing. You can follow this look and do it yourself. I haven't dipped into this palette for a long time and I found it like at the bottom of my palette stack, so I will be using the James Charles palette today. It's been a while people, it's been a while, but just to let you guys know what colors that I am using today, I went in with the blue first and then the green and then the yellow at the top. Then I cut my crease with the P. Louise base in the shade 0. Then I went back in and I went with the blue, green and yellow again down here. And then I just used a combination of these two for the glitters right here. That is what we're doing today, okay? And I am using the P. Louise base to cut my crease. Before I cut my crease, because I want this to be white here, I didn't actually, this is just the P. Louise base, I didn't actually add any shadows or anything to it, so I want to do the same thing over here. So what I did was I used my micellar water, grab a little Q-tip, and I just did that, let the product soak in, and then I'm going to go in and wipe away the excess. Right, and that is pretty much it for the shadows. Now I'm going to go into the glitters. So it's been a minute since I've done like a brow highlight, so I am going to go into So Good right here and just put that in my brow bone, just my brow bone right here. Oh. I don't really want some massive lashes to overpower this look, so I'm going to like find the simplest of ones that I do have. Most of my lashes are dramatic, so we'll see what we come up with. Give me a second. Okay, so these are the lashes that I can, like the smallest lashes that I do have. I have used them a bit. I guess it's time for me to throw them away, but they will work for now. Don't you agree? Alright, so I'm just gonna pop something in my inner corner, and I'm gonna go back to, So Good right here. I will be going in my waterline and just below my waterline with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. Can you guys see that blend? Like, can you see that blend? Hello? Right, so I'm just gonna do my face, and I'm gonna do the bare minimum because I actually have stuff to do today. But I know I've got a film for you guys, so I'm just gonna do my face.
Dim's Raleno, beat maker of Reunion Island, baby. Beats by Dims Rolling.